Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss the complement for any number system. Here I am going to discuss the r's complement and r minus 1's complement. So first thing is, what is r? So r is the radix or base of particular number system. For example, in decimal number system, base or radix is 10. In binary number system, base or radix is 2. So here I am going to discuss the two complement, that is r's complement and r minus 1's complement. First of all, what is the purpose of complement? So complements are basically used for representing the negative number. Means with the help of complements, you simplify the subtraction operation. So always remember, complements are used for representing the negative number. Here I am discuss two types of complement, that is r's complement and r minus 1's complement. So for example, if I have radix 10, radix 10 means we say decimal number system. So we calculate two complement of decimal number system, that is 10's complement because r's complement, and second one is 10 minus 1, that is 9's complement. Similarly, if I take binary number system, so in binary number system, we take two complements. First one is 2's complement means r's complement, and second one is 2 minus 1's complement means r minus 1, that is 1's complement. Here I take one more example of radix 6 or base 6 number system. So again here I take two complement. First one is r's complement means 6 complement, and second one is r minus 1's complement, that means r minus 1 means 6 minus 1 means 5's complement. तो हमेशा ध्यान रखिएगा, for any number system you always calculate two complement, r's and r minus 1. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये आता है कि which complement is calculate first. So please remember this thing, always calculate r minus 1's complement first. After that you calculate r's complement. So here I explain how we calculate r minus 1's complement. Here I explain how we calculate r minus 1's complement. So very simple approach for calculating the r minus 1's complement is you subtracting every single digit of given number by r minus 1, where r is the radix. क्या करना है r minus 1 complement के लिए? Subtracting each digit of given number by r minus 1. For example, here I take example of binary number system. Binary number system radix is 2. So r minus 1 is 1. So agar here I take one example, 101 is the given number, and I want to calculate r minus 1's complement of this number. So r minus 1's complement, radix is 2, so we want to calculate 1's complement. So subtracting each digit of this number by r minus 1 means 111, and you get the 1's complement of this number. Okay? Here I take one more example. Let's I choose base 5 number. Base 5 number. So here I choose one number, that is 1, 2, 3. This is in base 5. And I want to calculate complement of this number. मैंने आपको हमेशा कहा है, first of all you calculate r minus 1. r minus 1 means you calculate 4's complement. How we calculate 4's complement? So first of all write this number 1, 2, 3 and subtracting this number from r minus 1 means 4, 4, 4. देखिए 4 minus 3 1, 4 minus 2 2, 4 minus 1. This is the 4's complement of this number. तो आपको कुछ नहीं करना है for r minus 1's complement. You subtracting every single digit of number by r minus 1, where r is the radix of that number. Now r's complement. So for calculating the r's complement, first of all you calculate the r minus 1's complement. तभी तो मैंने कहा था कि पहले हमेशा r minus 1 complement निकालिए, then r's complement. So for calculating the r's complement, first of all you take the r minus 1's complement. Means r's complement के लिए आपको क्या करना होगा? For calculating the r's complement, first of all you take r minus 1's complement. R minus 1's complement of that number. R minus 1's complement. Then 1 plus 1 add at LSB. 1 add at LSB position. Okay. Plus 1 क्या कर दीजिए? Add कर दीजिए at LSB location. For example, in previous question I take 1's complement of 101. So 1's complement of 101 is, we already calculate, that is 010. So here I take same number 101. So first of all you calculate 1's complement of this. So 1's complement of this is simple 010. We already calculated in last part. Now I want to calculate 2's complement of this number. So for calculating the 2's complement, you simply add 1 at LSB location. So 110. So this is the 2's complement of the number. This is the 2's complement of the number. कैसे निकाल रहे हैं? First of all you take the 1's complement of that number, then you add 1 at LSB location, then you easily calculate 2's complement of that number. ठीक है? Now next is 9's complement and 10's complement of decimal numbers. तो देखिए, decimal means radix is 10. So definitely we calculate 2 complement. First one is r's complement and second one is r minus 1's. Means r means 10's complement and second one is 10 minus 1 means 9's complement. So we calculate 9's and 10. So I already told, first of all calculate r minus 1 complement. देखिए, here I take example 1, 2, 3, 4. This is in decimal number system. How we calculate 9's complement of this number? So I already told, for r minus 1's complement, first of all you write down that number and subtract each digit of that number. Subtract each digit of that number from r minus 1. So r minus 1 is 9, 9, 9, 9. Subtract 9 minus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the 9's complement of that number. R minus 1's complement. Next is 10's complement of same number 1, 2, 3, 4. So for calculating the 10's complement means r's complement of decimal number system. First of all you calculate r minus 1 means 9's complement. Then you add 1 at LSB. तो क्या करना है आपको? First of all number is 1, 2, 3, 4. You calculate 9's complement. So 9's complement is 8, 7, 6, 5. Then you add 1 at LSB location. So when you add 1 at LSB location, you get 8, 7, 6, 6. Okay. So this is the 10's complement. This is the 10's complement. This is the 10's complement of the given number 8766. So for any number system, you always calculate two complement, r and r minus 1. First of all, you calculate r minus 1's complement, then you calculate r complement. Here I explain one another way for calculating the 1's complement. Another way for calculating the 1's complement of the number system. Okay, so see 1's complement. Here I take one example 10101. This number is in binary. So first of all we want to calculate 1's complement. So 1's complement is calculated by subtracting this number from 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 because this number have 5 digits, so subtract from 5 1. So 1 minus 1 0, this is 1, this is 0 1 0. This is the ones complement of the given number. Here I explain another way for calculating the ones complement. Another way for calculating the ones complement. Very simple approach, ones complement. कैसे निकालते हैं? Number is 10101. This number is in binary. So for calculating the ones complement of this number, you simply invert each bit. Inversion means 1 inversion is 0, 0 inversion is 1. So देखिए 1 inversion is 0, 0 inversion is 1, then 1 invert is 0, 0 invert is 1, 1 invert is 0. So ones complement is 0 1 0 1 0. तो देखिए same answer you calculate. I repeat again, for taking ones complement, you simply invert each digit. Here I take one more example. Take it. Let's say I choose this 1 1 0 1 0. I want to calculate ones complement, so simply invert each bit. 1 inversion is 0, 1 inversion is 0, 0 inversion is 1, 1 inversion is 0, 0 inversion is 1. So for taking ones complement, simply invert each bit. This is the another way for calculate the ones complement. Now next is twos complement. So previously I already explained for calculating the twos complement, first of all you take ones complement, then add 1 at LSB. तो देखिए last question we take 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. I want to calculate twos complement. तो कैसे निकालते हैं इसका twos complement? First of all you take ones complement of this number. So ones complement is invert each bit. Okay. Then you add 1 at LSB. Then you add 1 at LSB. So 2's complement of this number is 0 1 0 1 1. कैसे निकालते हैं? I repeat again. First of all take the ones complement of that number, then add 1 at LSB. Here I explain another way for calculating the 2's complement. Another approach. Another way for calculating the twos complement. For calculating the twos complement. देखिए number is 10101. I want to calculate twos complement of this number. अब बहुत ध्यान से देखिएगा. You always start from LSB. You always start from LSB. LSB means rightmost bit. ठीक है? You always start from LSB. LSB से शुरू करते हुए जब तक पहला वन ना मिले, राइट नंबर एज इट इज. तो देखिए LSB से स्टार्ट किया, फर्स्ट वन वी गेट एट LSB लोकेशन. जब तक पहला वन ना मिले, write number as it is. Then you take the ones complement. Then you take the ones complement of remaining number. Then you take the ones complement of remaining number. Means ones complement, 0 complement is 1, 1 complement is 0, 0 complement is 1, 1 complement is 0. I repeat again. दोबारा देख लीजिए. For taking twos complement, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम LSB और तब तक नंबर एज इट इज लिखते जाइए जब तक पहला वन ना मिल जाए. सो वी गेट फर्स्ट वन एट LSB लोकेशन. देन व्हेन यू रिसीव फर्स्ट वन, आफ्टर दैट यू टेक द वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ रिमेनिंग नंबर. सो 0 कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज 1, 1 कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज 0, 0 कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज 1, 1 कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज 0. सो यू चेक योर आंसर इज सेम. योर आंसर इज सेम. So for taking the twos complement, you always start from LSB. Okay. और तब तक नंबर एज इट इज लिखते जाइए जब तक यू नॉट रिसीव फर्स्ट वन. ओके. जैसे ही पहला वन मिल जाए, आफ्टर दैट you take the ones complement of remaining number. This is the another simple way for calculating the twos complement of the given number. Hopefully आपको आज का लेक्चर अच्छा लगा होगा. So if you like this video, so please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.